Here we go. Embarrassing. This was yesterday. You gonna wait for me?
Oh yes, we're waiting for you. So go ahead and I got this for you. And if you want, you can just sit down and swing your legs across.
Don't hit the cleat.
Nope. And we're gonna put you up first, make sure everything works right.
That's great. I'm the senior, I get to, yeah, make sure it doesn't malfunction.
So what's up, guys? Welcome aboard. My name is Dan. This is Captain CJ. We'll be taking care of you guys today. We got about 1,000 feet of line. Get you guys up in the air right about 500 feet. Make sure you don't have anything in your pocket. Cell phone, wallet, car keys, $100 bills.
Yeah, I got car keys, but they're zipped in.
Yeah, there's always a chance you can end up in the water. So if they, if you don't want them to get wet, then take them out. But if you don't care, they can get wet. Cameras, I see you brought them. If you want, you can bring them up with you in the parachute. Shots of them can get full, so people can bring them up. We also have a new system where I can burn DVDs. You're going to get a 5-minute high-definition video of your flight. You also get about 20 pictures. At the end of the boat ride, I'll give you the DVD. $20, you get the pictures and the movie they come out. So we can do that for you